What's up guys, Major here, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download and update your Intel HD Graphics GPU integrated driver. So with that being said, you have to open a new tab, paste this URL. It's going to be in the description box below, so check out the description box. So once you do that, you have to go to graphic drivers. So once you click on the graphic drivers, you have to come over to view by product and then choose the generation of your Intel GPU. So I'm actually using an Intel HD Graphics 4400. So that is 4th generation. So you have to click here and it's going to load up for you. Okay, it's going to load up for you. So guys, this is very important. If you have to check the latest one you want. If you want a better version, you can download this one, but I'm going to be using this one. So guys, this is the most important step in this video tutorial. If you download 32-bit and then you have a 64-bit PC, it's not going to work. So I recommend what you have to do is you have to look for 64 bits and then you have to download the 64-bit version of it. So you can either download in exe or in zip format, whichever one is good for you, you can go for it. So how to download this is my PC is actually 64-bit, and so you have to click this one. And you can see it's gonna ask you, do you want to do this? So you have to click save file so it to actually start downloading. So I'm gonna pause this for a little download. So once it's done downloading, you can just double click on it and then install it, and then you have to restart your system. You have to restart your PC so that it can take full effect, so that the update can take full effect. And so yeah, that's how you update your Intel HD Graphics GPU in 2019. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a baby thumbs up, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video once more. My name is Major and I'm out of this. Peace.